The Prophet Muhammad, accompanied by several companions, journeyed towards the market of Ukase. During this time, devils were being prevented from accessing heavenly news and were being struck by meteors. Returning to their own kind, these devils inquired about the cause of this phenomenon. They were informed that they were barred from receiving celestial information and were being pelted with shooting stars. The devils surmised that a new reason had emerged for this obstruction, and thus, they dispersed across the east and west to uncover the cause. In their search, these devils reached the Tahama region, where the Prophet, along with his companions, was performing far prayer in the area of Nakhl, en route to the Ukase market. Upon hearing the recitation of the Quran, the devils listened intently. They exclaimed, "By God, this is what has prevented us from listening to the news of the heavens." They then returned to their own kind, announcing, "O our people, we have heard an astonishing Quran that guides to the straight path. Therefore, we believe in it and do not associate anyone with our Lord." Upon this, the verse say, "It has been revealed to me," Quran, was revealed, and the speech of the jinn was revealed to the Prophet.